Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel and we're going to play a little game today. Can you guess what my 28-inch Monster High doll is dressed like for Halloween? She has on a shell print dress, pearl earrings, puka shell necklace. Look how nice her hair turned out. You can't see it because I got it pulled back, but all of the dry ends that Downy just took care of. She does not have thick hair at all. She was very loved and the hair was brushed a lot. But there she is, and when she's out on the beach, if anyone says, "Ooh, did you see her eyes?" she quickly changes them to look like everybody else. So while you try to guess, I'm going to tell you a little bit about her. I bought her with no clothes. Hair was quite a mess. At a doll show in Cincinnati, Ohio for just $25. She had her shoes. When I cleaned her up, I did not take her shoes off because these are tight and I didn't want anything to break. Yes, I could have heated them up. I did not want to. So when I was drying her, I put her feet up in the air so that everything would drip out of the shoes. I really like this doll. When I buy used dolls, I always wash them. You don't know who had it or what they did with it or where it sat or anything about it. Even if it comes from a friend, you don't really know everything about it. So I wash their hair and clean them up and clean their clothes. This is what I did for her. Okay, her hair has a little damage to it, which is such a shame because I love their hair. What I'm going to do is the old trick, the Downy dip, to try to repair those ends. I buy this at the Dollar Tree. When it was $1, it was great. This I haven't used a while. I can tell it's thick. I shook and shook and shook and shook it. And I'm going to leave that upside down while I wash her hair. I use a dog comb, which are great for dolls. And I prefer metal combs and brushes for my doll hair. But I'm really being careful on these ends. I'm going to wash it. I'm going to start my brew here. I've got my towel set up to set it on. I already made sure her head would fit in it. And we will go from there. Okay, I use just cheap shampoo. If they have really long hair or really curly hair, I use my own Pantene on their hair, but otherwise I just use this. While I am washing her hair, I'm going to set these in the sink. I'm going to pull that hair out first and wash them as I go, and then I have a wash rag to wash her body off. And if I need to, I have the, well shoot, I haven't used this in so long, I forgot what it's, the magic eraser. All right, I have not filled my pot of water all the way up, and I didn't take it all the way to a rolling boil. And I'm going to add a full, oh gosh, that is really, there we go, oh boy. Hope that's still good. Hope that is still good. That's disturbing. Gonna have to get some fresh. Ooh. We're gonna mix that in. This has been sitting for a while. There we go. I think I'm just gonna use that comb and go ahead and stir that. Normally it doesn't look like that. It's more liquid. That looks all right though. It'll be all right. We'll try it. Okay, I set out a towel, I put on a hot plate, and now I'm gonna arch my doll's back. Let's get her down as far as I can. But I want her head, I want all of her hair in there without burning her head. I did not take her shoes off because I was afraid I might break them, and I did not want to do that. I have one of these dolls without shoes, and it's really a shame. And then I kind of bob it up and down, and as that cools, I'll let that sit, and I'll run a comb through it as I go. Have you guessed what she is for Halloween on this Hallow Eve day? Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Wednesday Addams dressed in her normal clothes. Someone asked her if she was dressing up for Halloween. She said, I am dressed up for Halloween. I'm a sociopath. And they look like everyone else and walk among us.